Hey, this is Lou, and I want to welcome you to this demo video of Automation AI. In Automation AI, we're going to show you how you can generate awesome email sequences without having to pay anyone month to month, with getting people connected to you, your business, your offers, and your sales pages. So let me show you how simple this is to use. So step by step. Step one, what is the end goal of this automation? The goal of this sequence is to get the reader to come to a webinar where I show them all the awesome features of Automation AI. Step two, who are you? And setting the tone. At this point, I'm going to give them lots of details about the company and the offer. I'm the person teaching the webinar. The product that I will be showcasing is called Automation AI. It's the easiest way to create any kind of email sequence to build trust, sell, and then sell some more. You could also select previous emails that you've written as a template for Automation AI to use to generate new email sequences for you. Step three, who will the readers be? The audience is people who know, like, and trust our company and its owner, Neil Napier. This product is targeted towards marketers, whether they be a local marketer, agency owner, offer owner, or any service provider who wants to build a rock-solid list of hungry-to-buy leads. Step four is fine-tuning. We have several options here. How many emails do we want in our sequence? I'm going to say we want 4. How many days to wait between each email do you want? We're going to go with default to let the AI decide. Anything else we want to include? Yes. We want to make sure to invite them to the webinar this Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Then I simply click on Generate Email Sequence. And as you see, it's generating the email sequence. Here is email 1 with the subject, the actual connection, the delay of 2 days. Moving on to the second email, here's our subject, content. You can see the extensive detail involved in each of these emails. It's not simply, hey, come to our webinar. It gives you details on it, focusing on people like Robert Cialdini's 6 Principles of Persuasion, Eugene Schwartz's Breakthrough Advertising. These are powerful, persuasive emails that get people to respond to your call to action. Don't miss out. Join the Automation AI webinar today. And we can save it as an automation, utilize it in any autoresponder. There is a built-in integration with Mailvia. I hope you now see the true power behind Automation AI.